And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, the crude now trading at a level of $71.72. Okay, you have to understand that it has already created one pattern, okay, and touched that particular level. This is the pattern we have seen. A opposite U pattern has formed, and chances was very high that it will cross a level of 70.41, which I have told you in my previous videos. See, it went slightly down towards a level of $70.12, okay, which is a pattern was forming, so it bounced back from this particular level, okay, because this pattern was supporting this trend, and when it started falling below this level, the trend was means the target fulfilled, and then it moved upside and form a swing. Now after making this particular trend, it has already made a high of around $71.98. From 2 days it is continuously upside. Okay, if you look at this trend, it is moving in this zone from 4 days, you can say, and a high of that particular zone is around $72, which is already being tested here. So chances will be high that if the price comes for the third time, it comes close to this level, it will cross this level and it will move towards $72.62. Okay, it look a little less volatile because see, it will be around at this, the difference is around this. So when the quantity is used, it makes a lot of differences. Okay, so if the price started sustaining over level of $71.8, it there is a high chances it will cross a level of 72, and then it can move towards 72.5, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, this is for this particular level. But if you look at the bigger picture, what we have seen, that if the price started sustaining above $75.29, there is a probability of going further upside, we can see. And if that sustain, we will see that the price will go towards $76.35, and from there a further upside movement we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, chances of going further upside will be there if the price keep moving above 77 also. But if the price started falling again below a level of around $70.4, we can see there will be a further fall below a level of $70, and chances of going towards $69 will be there, and then it can move below a level of 68.5. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, we can see that the dollar index now trading at a level of $106.9. Okay, see, the volatility is good in what we have seen in the dollar index. It has made a half around $110 from the level of 102. I have clearly explained you, even $100 I explained you, then the price was around at this level. I have told you that it can move further upside because it is a pre-election time. Okay, so it was continuously moving upside, and as the election results came, we have seen it has made a high, and after that it is continuously downside. Okay, it is trying to go higher, and probability will be high that we can see it can go further upside. So we see now, if the price started sustaining above this level, we can see it can touch a level of 107.4, and once started sustaining above this level, probability of touching 108 to a level of 108.5, and once the price moving over this level, a probability of touching 109 we can see, and then further up 07.5, 108, 108.5 to a level of 109, and then further upside. But if the price started falling below this level, we can see it can touch a level of $106.5, and from there a level of 106.1. Okay, suppose if the price falling below that level, we can see a level of 105.3, and once the price fall below that level, we can see a level of $104.8, and then a further downfall we can see what 104.5. Suppose if the price started falling below that level, probability of touching 103.3 we can see, and then a further fall will be there. Okay, coming back on the crude price, what we can see, so you have to understand that when the dollar index started going upside, chance of crude comes down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, chance of crude is up. Okay, but market is uncertain, so whenever you start to trade, put your SL. Okay, if you put your SL, you will save the capital, and once you in profit, try to trail the SL so your profit will be saved. These two things you have to do. Okay, now coming back on the crude, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are high we can see the price can sustain above this level. So probability of going towards a level of around 72 we can see, and this 72 is already tested, so chances are high the price will go further upside and it will touch a level of $72.6 to a level of 73. And once started going over this level, we can see a level of 73.6, and because 73 is also being tested here, so it will cross a level of 72, it will cross a level of 73, and it can touch a level of 73.6. Once the price sustain above this level, we will see there will be a zone breakout. Okay, because it will be after around 2 weeks, so chances are high the price can move above a level of 74.5, and this is also being a weak support, weak resistance, so it can touch a level of 75.2. Okay, and chances are high it can touch a level of 75.2, which is also being tested. So we can see that once the price started sustaining over this level, probability of touching 73 will be there, and then it will cross this particular level, and chances of going above these levels we can see, because all these levels are being tested. So what you can do is you can trail your SL, okay, by $0.5, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. So once the price sustain above this level, it can touch a level of $76. As I've explained you, market is uncertain. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards $71.4, and from there a further fall we can towards 71. Suppose if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 70.8 we can see, and from there it will move towards a level of 70.4. Suppose if the price started falling below this level, chance of touching 70.16 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of touching a level of 69.7 we can see. And if the price started falling below this level, chance of touching 68.6 will be there, and from there a probability of touching 68, then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of touching a level of 67.7 we can see, and then it will move below a level of $66.5. So chances are high the price will go towards $66, and then a further fall we can see. Okay, and if the price started falling below 66, probability of going towards a level of 65.2, then a further downfall will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.